Hello, everyone, and welcome to Slow Spoken English. I'm your host, Diana.
And I'm your host, Richard. We're so glad you could join us today.
Today, we have a very practical and fun topic for you. We are going clothes shopping.
That's right. We are going to take you on a virtual shopping trip with us to a big department store here in Sydney, Australia. A department store is like Harrods of London or Shoppers Stop. You will hear the kind of conversations you might have in a shop.
We will learn useful words and phrases for buying clothes. For example, how to ask for help, how to ask about sizes, and what to say at the checkout.
Exactly. So get ready, let's go shopping.
Wow, Richard, this store is so big. Look at all the clothes.
It is. There are so many floors. Where should we start?
I really want to look for a new dress. And maybe a new pair of pants.
Okay, dresses and pants. Sounds good. And I need some new sportswear. Some shorts and a t-shirt for the gym.
Great. Let's find a shop assistant to help us. A shop assistant is someone employed by the store to assist you to buy what the store is selling. You can ask them as many questions as you want. Oh, there's someone over there. Excuse me?
Hello there, how can I help you today?
Hi, I'm looking for dresses. Could you tell me where I can find them?
Of course, the dresses are right over there, on the other side of this floor. Just walk past the jackets and you will see them.
Great, thank you. And where is the menswear section? For sportswear.
Menswear, including all our sportswear, is on the second floor. You can take the escalator up to there.
The second floor. Got it. Thanks for your help.
You're very welcome. Let me know if you need anything else.
An escalator, which sounds very complicated, is our English word for the revolving stairs you see in stores with more than one floor. They have always been a fun thing for children to do. You might remember how much fun you thought it was to take the escalator when you were a child. All right, let's look at these dresses then. Oh, look at this blue dress, Richard. It's beautiful, isn't it?
It is very nice. The color is lovely. What size are you looking for?
I'm usually a size 12. Let me see if they have it. Yes, here is a size 12. Perfect.
How much is it? Is there a price tag?
Yes, the price tag says 120 Australian dollars. Ooh, that's a bit expensive for me.
Yeah, that is a bit pricey. What about this one? This red dress is on sale. There's a big red sign that says 50% off.
Oh, that's pretty too. I like the color. And it was $80, so now it's only $40. That's a great price. A real bargain.
It is. You should try it on.
That's a good idea. Now, where are the changing rooms?
I think I saw a sign. Let's see. Ah, yes. The changing rooms are over there, in the corner. Changing rooms are small spaces you can try on the clothes you are thinking of buying to check if they fit you.
Great. Oh, wait, these black pants look nice. I need a new pair of those I forgot. I'll take these to try on too. And this skirt is lovely. And maybe this blouse. Ooh, this blouse feels lovely. It feels like silk, but the label says it's a soft cotton blend. What do you think of the pattern?
It's a bit bold for my taste, but it looks like it would suit you. How about this jacket? It looks very smart and would match that blouse perfectly. Diana, you have a lot of clothes there. Your arms are full.
I know, Richard. Could you hold these for me, please? Just for a few minutes.
Sure, give them here. Whoa, they are heavy. Are you sure you're not buying the whole store? Help, I can't see. I feel like a walk-in closet. People are looking at me strangely, Diana. Please hurry. My arms are going numb.
Oh, Richard, don't be so dramatic. But thank you, you're the best. Okay, I'm ready for the changing rooms now. Let's go.
No problem. I'll be out here waiting. Just waiting. Maybe I'll have time to read a book. A very long book. Oh, she can't hear me.
So, Richard, what do you think of this red dress?
Wow. Diana, it looks fantastic. It really suits you. The color is perfect.
Thank you. I think I will buy it. The pants didn't fit very well, they were too small, and the skirt was a little too long. The blouse was a little too tight, and the jacket was way too big. So I will just get the dress.
A very good choice. Are you ready to pay for it now?
Almost. I just want to ask one more thing. I'll ask that helpful assistant again. Excuse me.
Yes, how can I help? Oh, the dress looks wonderful on you.
Thank you. I have a quick question. If I buy this, can I exchange it if I change my mind later?
Yes, absolutely. Just make sure you keep your receipt. You have 30 days to exchange or return an item for a full refund, as long as the tags are still on.
That's great to know. Thank you so much. Okay, now I'm ready to pay. Where's the checkout?
The checkout is just over there by the main entrance. You'll see the signs.
Perfect. Thank you again. An exchange is when you swap your purchase for something else, and a refund is when you get your money back.
Okay, you've paid for your dress. My turn now. I need to get upstairs to the sportswear section before the store closes.
Yes, of course. Let's find the escalator. I'm excited to see what you find.
Finally, time for my shopping. Wait, what's that sound?
Attention shoppers. The store will be closing in 5 minutes. We repeat, the store is closing in 5 minutes. Please make your final purchases and proceed to the checkout. Thank you for shopping with us.
5 minutes. Are you serious? Diana, we've been here for 2 hours.
Oh dear. Has it really been that long? Time flies when you're having fun.
Fun for you, maybe. My sportswear will now have to wait for another day. I guess I was just your shopping buddy today.
Oh, but you were the best shopping buddy ever. Don't worry, we can come back tomorrow. And you must admit, I found a wonderful dress.
You always do, Diana. You always do. And that was our shopping trip. A success for Diana, and not so much for me.
We hope you enjoyed it and learned some useful English words and phrases for when you go shopping, such as shop assistant, who you can ask questions of, and escalators. Try asking for the escalator in English. It's like a cross between an edible French snail, escargot, and see you later, a common Australian saying.
Remember those key questions. Where are the changing rooms? How much is this? And can I exchange this? They are very common phrases to use when shopping. Try saying those to someone in the store. They won't mind if you get it wrong. They are there to help after all.
Yes. A great way to practice and remember is to listen to this episode several times. Repetition is very important for learning.
That's right. Listen to this podcast again and maybe say the phrases out loud with us.
And if you liked this episode, please hit the like button and subscribe for more content. It helps us a lot.
Thank you all for listening to Slow Spoken English. We will see you in the next episode. Cheers.
Bye for now.